day.
Guys, have you considered how technology can transform your daily life? Interested in discovering the coolest gadgets that can elevate your experience to the next level? Stick around because today, we've got a lineup of mind-blowing tech that you won't want to miss. Now, let's dive in. Turn heads with Night Shift, a cutting-edge RGB LED kit designed for helmets. It offers 20-plus customizable animations through a free light mode app. Unlike generic LED strips, Night Shift's 1.7mm thickness delivers superior brightness and flexibility. Its built-in microphone syncs animations, adding flair to your ride. The result of meticulous R&D, Night Shift's diffusion technology creates a cyberpunk aesthetic, enhancing safety with style for motorcyclists who appreciate futuristic design. Enhance your overall well-being with the OURA Ring Gene 3. This sleek size 10 ring is more than a stylish accessory. It's a comprehensive activity tracker, measuring blood oxygen, sleep metrics, resting heart rate, and steps taken. It syncs seamlessly with Apple iOS and Android. Water-resistant up to 328 feet, it ensures durability. Featuring a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this ring seamlessly integrates fashion with health-conscious innovation to keep you informed and connected. Illuminate your collection with the WARHAWK EDC flashlight, a mini-Second World War-inspired marvel. Engraved with the iconic Curtiss P-40 WARHAWK design, it's a tribute to fallen soldiers. Compact and aesthetically pleasing, this flashlight features 3 colors, including a unique blue inspired by Second World War missiles. Crafted from pure brass with a rough finish, it's a symbolic reminder of history. Powered by 3 SR621SW button cells for up to 4 hours of burn time. Compact yet powerful, the RECOLORFINE mini stun gun combines a unique key fob design with impressive strength. The integrated LED flashlight enhances safety, ideal for various settings. USB charging eliminates the need for batteries, and the wrist-wearable design ensures quick access. With a safety switch to prevent accidental discharge, this stun gun prioritizes your security. Whether in parks, malls, or on the streets, trust this compact device for reliable protection and reassurance. M1911H Reloading Card Holder. The world's first reloading card holder pays homage to the iconic M1911 pistol. Crafted from aluminum magnesium alloy, it replicates the pistol's reloading action. Press the release button, and the inner magazine ejects for one-handed card retrieval. The double diamond pattern, walnut wood, and detachable magazine offer a blend of style and function. Suitable for credit cards or business cards, it's a fashionable everyday carry item, merging classic design with modern utility for a touch of sophistication. The GRETE GOTYE electronic cleaner tool is a comprehensive solution for maintaining your devices. Perfect for iPhones and earbuds, its U-shaped brush and port pick efficiently clear lint, dirt, and debris, enhancing charging performance. The earbud cleaning kit, equipped with a delicate sponge and high-density brush, reaches every nook. Portable and stylish, it comes in 5 colors, making it travel-ready and a perfect year-round gift. Backed by a 5-year lifetime replacement offer, it guarantees that your devices will stay in optimal condition. Explore the forefront of camping technology with the Gerber FREESCAPE camp saw. This innovative folding saw blends portability and functionality, folding flat without disassembly and featuring a 12-inch blade. The grippy rubber handle ensures a secure grip in any condition, and its vibrant green accents add visibility. Ideal for camping and outdoor enthusiasts, it accommodates standard 12-inch blades, offering versatile functionality. Unleash the power of a lifetime in less than an inch with the FOREVERPEN. Crafted from grade 5 titanium, this compact marvel offers everlasting writing capabilities. Featuring an ergonomic design and multi-tool functionality, it effortlessly writes on any surface, endures diverse weather conditions, and contributes to minimizing plastic waste. Always accessible with its built-in keychain loop, it's a sustainable and reliable companion for your everyday adventures. Upgrade your daily essentials with the CIVIVI POLYMORPH Titanium Carabiner Multi-Tool. Constructed from titanium and alloy steel, this compact tool integrates a titanium carabiner, utility blade, screwdriver, and bottle opener. Equipped with extra replacement blades and a rotating screwdriver featuring 6 heads, it's ideal for your keys, pocket, or backpack, ensuring you're ready for any task that comes your way. Transform your everyday carry with the versatility and durability offered by this innovative multi-tool. Elevate your fashion game with the Ring Clock, a perfect blend of style and utility. Whether you opt for the classic silver and blue or the modern rose gold PVD and white model, this slender timepiece stands out. boasting a 3-year battery life, ultra-thin rechargeable lithium polymer, and water resistance. It's more than just a watch, it's a wearable masterpiece. The unique LED lighting system adds a touch of flair, making time-telling an experience that seamlessly fuses innovation with aesthetics. Effortless charging on the go! The FLOVEME car wireless charger ensures one-handed convenience with automatic clamping technology. With fast charging support and adjustable viewing angles, it caters to iPhones, Samsung Galaxy, and Huawei models. Adapting power output intelligently, this sleek charger accommodates phones between 4.5 to 6.5 inches. Enjoy comfortable drives while keeping your devices charged throughout your journeys. Bridge the gap between pocket tools and professional-grade equipment with the Off-Grid Tools Fire and Rescue Tool. Proudly made in the USA, it features a robust combination of essential functions: axe, hammer, nail puller, hose spanner, pry bar, gas cutoff wrench, and more. The rust-resistant matte finish ensures durability, while the 1055 carbon steel blade and shock-absorbing power grip provide efficiency in critical situations. Ideal for firefighters, police, and rescue workers, this tool delivers reliability and versatility at the highest standards. Embrace convenient charging on the move with the JOYROOM wireless car charger mount. This innovative device provides 15 watts QI fast charging, effortlessly securing your phone with an enhanced auto-clamping system. Offering versatile compatibility, advanced safety features, and a stable design, it transforms into your reliable travel companion. Bid farewell to tangled cords and enjoy hassle-free drives, as this charger ensures efficient and on-the-go power for your device. Revolutionize your angling experience with the RODLESS fishing reel, a compact powerhouse crafted from stainless steel and anodized aluminum. Sporting a game-changing 3-to-1 gear ratio, it significantly enhances fishing effectiveness. At just 3 inches in length, it's a travel-friendly companion for avid anglers. Built with durability in mind, it can handle sizable catches. The package includes a fully machined stainless steel and aluminum reel, making it a comprehensive and lightweight tool, perfect for any angler's gear collection. Experience global connectivity with the ZOLEO satellite communicator, a rugged device with GPS that syncs to your smartphone via Bluetooth, offering messaging coverage worldwide through satellite, cellular, or Wi-Fi networks. It provides a dedicated SMS number, email, emergency alerts, and medical assistance. Designed for adventurers, it simplifies check-ins and location sharing, ensuring seamless communication in remote locations. Behold the UR112 Aggregate, a horological masterpiece marrying complexity and precision. Weighing 25.5 grams, this watch showcases digital time displays from hours to seconds. UR112 is a testament to watchmaking prowess, featuring a Swiss lever-type escapement, 66 joules, and a 48-hour power reserve. Boasting a captivating skeletonized second wheel, aluminum prisms, and a double planetary system, this timepiece pushes the boundaries of micromechanics, establishing itself as a distinctive piece in the realm of timekeeping. As we bid farewell, tell us which gadget sparked joy for you. Share your favorites in the comments and stay tuned for more tech wonders that guarantee endless enjoyment